how to type text and how to add a background to that text inside DaVinci Resolve 16. So first of all, let's add text. Go here to Effects Library and go to Titles and Text. Grab this text and drop it on top of your video. Here's the text. You can modify the position by simply dragging. Okay, and on the inspector tab you have these up here. On the inspector you can modify the text, let's say that one. Okay, you can modify, let's say, the font from there, and you can make this portion bigger because now it's smaller with this button. So click on that one and it's pulling it down. Okay, now go down to the bottom and here's this background. It seems to be enabled, but it's not doing anything until you modify, let's say, the height. So by modifying the height, you added a black background, let's say, of that height somewhere. Okay, now modify the width to cover the entire text. You can modify the background of that text, let's say red or whatever you want. Close it with OK, and you can modify the outline, a line around it with this outline width, smaller or larger. Okay, so that's how to add the background to text inside DaVinci Resolve version 16.